Introduction to Afterpay API integration. Afterpay is a popular payment platform that allows customers to pay for products in installments. And integrating its API into your e-commerce platform can enhance customer experience and increase sales. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of integrating Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform. Step 1: Setting up an Afterpay account. To start the integration process, you need to create an Afterpay account and obtain an API key. This can be done by signing up on the Afterpay website and following the instructions to obtain the API key. The API key is used to authenticate your API requests and ensure secure communication between your platform and Afterpay. Step 2: Choosing the right API endpoint. Afterpay provides several API endpoints for different purposes, such as creating orders, retrieving order status, and handling refunds. You need to choose the right endpoint based on your specific requirements. For example, if you want to create a new order, you would use the Create Order endpoint. Step 3: Sending API requests. To send API requests to Afterpay, you need to use the API key to authenticate your requests. You can use programming languages such as Java, Python, or PHP to send HTTP requests to the Afterpay API endpoints. The requests should be in JSON format and include the required parameters, such as customer information and order details. Step 4: Handling API responses. After sending an API request, Afterpay will respond with a JSON object containing the result of the request. You need to parse the response and handle any errors that may occur. For example, if the customer's payment is declined, the response will contain an error message that you can use to notify the customer. Step 5: Testing and deployment. Once you have integrated the Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform, you need to test it thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly. You can use the Afterpay sandbox environment to test your integration before deploying it to production. Best practices for Afterpay API integration. To ensure a smooth and secure integration, follow these best practices. Use secure communication protocols such as HTTPS. Handle errors and exceptions properly, and keep your API key secure. Additionally, make sure to comply with Afterpay's terms and conditions and follow their guidelines for integration. Conclusion: integrating the Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform can enhance customer experience and increase sales. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure a smooth and secure integration. Remember to test your integration thoroughly and follow best practices to ensure a successful integration. With Afterpay API integration, you can provide your customers with a convenient and flexible payment option, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty.